My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Polis. Polis is the ransomware that encrypts the files. The video will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware truly is. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open files without troubles. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Polis ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Well, almost immediately, this ransomware encrypts the files and adds this special Polis extension to the data, so it is not possible to use the files anymore. This is the ransom note that is given by the ransomware. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but to pay the ransom surely does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, but to get there you might need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then begin researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin analyzing your computer, and it will then give you the summary of the threats at the end of the scan. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So the scanning will then take place. It will take some time. Of course, the scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on the speed of your computer, and it may also depend on some other factors. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data protected in the future.